Hello viewers, once again I'm now Sobke Molaga channel or itu notun update kora video ko welcome kora channel dia ase. Viewers, I'm now Sobra honi thakibo. Bangladesh laga former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina opore recently death sentence declare kora thakise. Aji laga video re mohan bra janibo ki Sheikh Hasina do hole etia India ro lokai kena ase. Bangladesh government bra India ke PEC par Sheikh Hasina do hole hand over kurule request kuri kena ase. Hole bi India bra idadak jawab nati kena ase. To judi India bra Bangladesh laga kotha manane gule do India aro Bangladesh majore suggestion do kinaga happen hobla ase. Aji laga video de mohan details de jane kena jabo. 2008 de Sheikh Hasina tai election campaign de jadan de ekta promise kura thakise. Tai bra promise kurishigi judi tai laga government ay shugule do Bangladesh de ekta court set up kurubo aro etu court pra 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War de kimanjun Bangladesh manukhan ke against kurise tai khan ke punishment dibo kugina tai wada dia thagise etu nisnai tai laga government aise inaga aha bichi de 2009 de Sheikh Hasina bra Bangladesh de ekta court to hele set up kura thagise etu laga court nam to hole International Crime Tribunal thakise. To akiru konisna 1971 de Pakistan aro Bangladesh majore tangor war do hole ola thakise. Enago war ola time de Bangladesh manukhan kimanchun Pakistan khan ke support kurise tai bra set up kura International Crime Tribunal court bra punishment digana aha ase. Enaga Bangladesh de Sheikh Hasina government do hole ahigana thaka homoy de Last year, July moina de tango incident to hule happen hua thakise. Last year, July moina de Bangladesh de students khan ba lead kurigana Sheikh Hasina laga government against de tango protest to hule ola thakise. Itu protest laga main cause to inaga thakise ki Sheikh Hasina government bra ekta law to hule pass kura thakise. Itu laga law do koise ki Bangladesh de kiman freedom fighters khan ase tai khan laga grandchildren khan bra Bangladesh laga job reservation to hole 30% kota pabo lake gugana edu law pass kura thakise edu do thik nai gugana Bangladesh de kiman intellectuals khan thakise aro students khan thakise Sheikh Hasina government ke against kurigina last year July moina de tango protest to ola thakise edu laga protest de 1400 nisna mano mot hua thakise edu situation bra escape kurule Sheikh Hasina do hole last year August 15 de Bangladesh pro olaigina India de polai ja thakise to enega Bangladesh de Sheikh Hasina government do hole totally overthrown hua pichde last year Muhammad Yunus pa lead kurigina interim government do hole form hua thakise recently Sheikh Hasina tainiju bra set kura court International Crime Tribunal Canberra. Last year July moina de tango protest ola dem de 1400 manu mot hua dole Sheikh Hasina laga kam thakise. Edubra tai laga kam dole crime against human asukuna recently tai laga opore death sentence declare kura thakise. Mane Sheikh Hasina dole namuradak jail de thakiwo lage kugana Bangladesh laga court bra declare kura thakise. Halebi viewers, mohan bra jane bole ki ase gulo do Sheikh Hasina do hole idia India de ase. Bangladesh government bra India laga government ke Sheikh Hasina do hole hand over gurule 3 times later dia bi honi pai ase. Edu laga opore idia India bra do hole eku reply nadigina thaka honi pai ase. Edu laga opore India laga phapana do hole edu issue do hole true peaceful nohole democratic way de solve kurule phapana thaka honi pai ase edia mohan bra janule ki ase gule do India aro Bangladesh majore extradition treaty do hole sign kurigina ase extradition treaty mane judi Bangladesh khan bra India criminal khan lokai gena ase gule nohole India bra Bangladesh laga criminal khan lokai gena ase gule do action ke hand over kuri dibo lage guna edu 3D sign kurigina ase edu laga 3D opore idia Bangladesh khan bra Sheikh Hasina do hole hand over kurule India ke request kurigena 3 bar letters to hole dia honi pai ase holebi akiru kwanisna India bra itia eku nokoi kena thaka honi pai ase na dibobi nokoi aro dibobi nokoi kena India do hole itia chupchap te thaka honi pai ase to chuti itia kwanisna India aro Bangladesh majore extradition treaty to sign kurigena ase aro Bangladesh laga appeal request India bra hona nai kuledo Bangladesh aro India majore situation dhole pia hobole chance asana nai itia India laga phapana du inega ase ki recently mohan janise India aro Bangladesh majore ki issue olaise to jodi India bra Sheikh Hasina hand over gurilebi India aro Bangladesh majore relationship dhole phal hobe noi edu bra nadi thakbu negi kugina India laga phapana bi inaga thaga honi bias aro one way de Sheikh Hasina government thaganemde India aro Bangladesh dhole ekdam phal relationship build kurigena thaga honi bias ituan sob melagena idia India bra dhole Sheikh Hasina dhole hand over kurule munju noa honi bias to judi India bra Sheikh Hasina do Bangladesh manukhan ke hand over kura nai guledo akiru kwanisna India aro Bangladesh majore suggestion dhole pia hobole PC chance ase to ajilaga video de viewers mohan bra ki janibole ase kuledo Sheikh Hasina kuntu Bangladesh laga former prime minister ase tai laga opore tai niju bra set up kura international crime tribunal court bra death sentence digena ase holibi itia Sheikh Hasina dhole India ra lokai gena ase to Bangladesh government bra India ga 3 times letter photagena Sheikh Hasina dhole hand over kurule request kura honi bias idulaga opore itia India bra nadi bobi nokoi aro ti bobi nokoi gena chupchap thaka honi pai ase to akire kwanisna viewers India aro Bangladesh majore extradition treaty sign kurigena ase idulaga treaty hisabte India criminal khan Bangladesh to lokai gena ase kuledo Bangladesh laga criminal khan India ro lokai gena ase kuledo action ke itu criminal khan dole hand over kurula ke gugena itu laga treaty to kwa inaga ase holebi so far India bra kile Sheikh Hasina dole hand over nokuri Sheikh Hasina dole Bangladesh nimide ekta criminal hoicha nisna honiba ase holebi India bra dole idia dak Sheikh Hasina dole ekta eli ase kugena phapana pura bra hand over nokuri gena ase to judi India bra Bangladesh laga kotha hona nai guledo India aro Bangladesh majore suggestion dhole pia hobole chance asana idulaga oporbi amnan phabana kurule ajilaga video amnan ke share kuri dias thank you everyone for watching my video